Good afternoon. Welcome to Hotel Felicity. I'm Meryl, your receptionist. How may I assist you today?
I would like to check in.
All right, ma'am. Could you give me a moment? I'll check our reservation system.
I don't have any reservation.
Oh, I'll check our room availability for you, ma'am.
Thank you.
So we have several rooms available for you. So may I know what type of room do you prefer?
I want a standard room.
Okay, so standard room. Can you give me a moment? I'll check our system. Standard. All right, miss. So we have an available room on room 215, a standard room which is worth 3,500 pesos. Is that okay for you?
Okay.
All right. So would you like to continue to the check-in process?
What?
Would you like to continue to our check-in process?
Yes.
All right. So could you fill out our registration form before anything else? So here's our form. Here's the pen, miss, if in case you don't have any. So how was your trip, Miss Maya?
It was very fun.
So is it traffic? Oh, good to hear. Because you know, in our country, traffic is very rampant.
Oh,
So I'm glad.
very good.
Wow, that's good to hear.
What did you hear?
Oh my God, you're funny. So if you need anything else, so you can ask me. Alright, so thank you for filling up, Miss Mayan. So before anything else, let me check your reservation. So before anything else, let me repeat everything. So your Sumayang Marjorie, so it's spelled as Shera, Uniform, Mike, Alpha, Yankee, Alpha, November, Golf, and your first name is spelled as Mike, Alpha, Romeo, Juliet, Echo, Romeo, India, Echo. So you live on Luluan, Cebu, and your contact number is 0992-7153156. So your email address is marjorie@gmail.com. So you book standard room, which is worth 3,500 pesos. So you'll be paying via cash. Is that correct, Miss Marjorie?
Yes.
All right. So before anything else, please put your signature here for proof that you're filling up that. Okay, so sure. So since you plan to book for 2 nights, so you'll be paying 7,000 pesos. So how will the bill be settled?
I would like to pay for 1 night only.
Okay, so 1 night. Sure, so there's no problem. So it will be 3,500 pesos. So 3,000. So I receive an amount of 4,000 pesos. So your change would be 500 pesos. So give me a moment. Pound, so please give me a moment, Miss Marjorie. I'll just write your information to give you a receipt. Alright, Miss Marjorie, so thank you for waiting. So your change would be 500 pesos and here's your receipt. So Since you booked a room, so we have an available room which is a standard room on room 205. Wait, okay. On room 215. Wait, HM 00008 2A. So 215. Okay. So here's your key card, Miss Marjorie. So
What room is this?
it's room 205. So to get to your room, so get the elevator up to the second floor and turn left, and your room number will be on the left-hand side. So is that okay with you, Miss Marjorie?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, so before anything, Miss Marjorie, so is there anything else I can do to you?
Nothing.